Hi, I'm Martin from Bosch Power Tools, and today I'm here with UK Planet Tools in Milton Keynes, where we're going to be taking a closer look at the Bosch 18V BITURBO range, offering you corded power on a cordless platform. Let's take a closer look at the range. This is the GTS 18V-216 table saw. It's fitted with a BITURBO motor, and then used in conjunction with the ProCore batteries, it's going to give you around about 1600 watts worth of power, which is very much equivalent to a corded machine. The blade is able to bevel to 45 degrees to the left. To use that bevel lock, we just basically release this little red lever here at the front, and then we can rotate the blade over to the left-hand side up to 45 degrees. To bring it back to zero, we simply pull back to the zero position and then reintroduce the bevel lock. At maximum cut capacity, this machine is going to give us a 70mm depth of cut. And then by extending the actual table, which we do here by this little red lever, we can actually extend the table out to 630mm. If we want to use longer boards, then we can also remove this parallel clamp, and that's just done by pulling the lever here at the front, and we can take the lever completely off. So if we were to sit this saw nice and flush with our worktop, then we can actually put bigger boards through the table saw. The blade itself is a 216mm blade with a 30mm bore, and also comes with a blade guard protector. The blade guard protector can be stored underneath the machine during storage. You've also got a riving knife situated at the back of the blade. For cutting thicker materials, you can actually alter the depth of this riving knife to actually match the height of the blade. The riving knife is going to keep the cut open when you're doing things like rip cuts. On the base plate here, we also have the mitre attachment. That can be fit to the left-hand side of the table or the right-hand side of the table. All we need to do is undo the little screw here at the top, and then we can rotate this to the required angle. Towards the back of the machine, we've got dust extraction. Now we can either attach this to a proper dust extraction unit for a workshop environment, or we can actually use it with the cordless dust extraction system, the GTS 18V10, or the Gas 35 L or M class vacuums. When it comes to operating the machine, all we simply need to do is insert the ProCore battery to the top here, just above the power switch. And then to turn the machine on, we just flick the power button towards ourselves and then back in towards the machine to switch the power off. The machine has an intelligent brake, so it won't stop the machine dead, but it will basically bring the machine to a slow stop and stop that blade safely for you. What you also have in the front of the machine here is we have a push stick, and that's just to allow you to basically push materials through the blade without putting your fingers anywhere near the working area. So this is just basically here for safety. The machine comes obviously with a 3-year warranty. Nice and light, easy to fit into any work environment, and that is the GTS 18V-216 table saw from Bosch. For more information on the Bosch BITURBO range, please visit boschprofessionalpowertools.com. For deals and offers, please visit UK Planet Tools, where you can find more information on both their website and their social media channels. Thank you.